As per the most recent long-haul figure, Ethereum cost will hit $2,000 toward the finish of 2024. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,485.66. So the cost expanded by 24% from the outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,801, and the year-to-year change plus 51%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 21%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,699 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,823. In the final part, the cost would add $410 and close the year at $2,233, which is plus 50% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Tuesday, February 14, $1,487. Wednesday, February 15, $1,489. Thursday, February 16, $1,490. Friday, February 17, $1,492. Saturday, February 18, $1,493. Sunday, February 19, $1,495. Monday, February 20, $1,497. Tuesday, February 21, $1,498. March 15, $1,532. April 15, $1,581. May 15, $1,627. June 15, $1,676. July 15, $1,707. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,233 to $3,408, which is up 53%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,233, then, at that point, take off to $2,572 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $2,382. That implies plus 60% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,408 to $4,336, which is plus 27%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,408, then dip to $3,204 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $3,384. It is about plus 128% from today. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,528.51. So the cost expanded by 28% from the start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,618, and the year-to-year change plus 36%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 6%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,667 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,703. In the last part, the cost would lose $229 and close the year at $1,474, which is 4% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,474 to $3,132, which is up 112%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $1,474, then, at that point, take off to $1,625 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $1,869. That implies plus 22% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,132 to $4,773, which is plus 52%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,132, then take off to $3,254 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $3,437. It is about plus 125% from today. 1/1/2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,193.95. so the cost diminished by 0% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,495, and the year-to-year change plus 25%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 25%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,540 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,573. In the last part, the cost would lose $211 and close the year at $1,362, which is plus 14% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,362 to $2,892, which is up 112%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $1,362. Then, at that point, take off to $1,501 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $1,726. That implies plus 45% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $2,892 to $4,407, which is plus 52%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $2,892, then take off to $3,004 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $3,173. It is about plus 166% from today. 12/15/2022 Ethereum value expectation 2022 to 2023. Ethereum cost began in 2022 at $3,722.59. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,292.01, so the cost diminished by 65% from the very outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2022 is $1,445, and the year-to-year change 61%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 12%. In the main portion of 2023, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,462. In the last part, the cost would add $439 and close the year at $1,901, which is plus 47% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecasts 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $1,901 to $2,945, which is up 55%. Ethereum will begin 2024 at $1,901, then, at that point, take off to $2,190 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2024 at $2,028. That implies plus 57% from today. Ethereum expectation 2029 to 2033. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $2,940